Vijay is once again dominating headlines, but this time there's no movie teaser, no first look poster, and no box office frenzy involved. Instead, Tamil Nadu's new chief minister just pulled up in a Bolero, personally drove it himself, and flagged off a fleet of 40 health department vehicles. And honestly, the optics are doing work. Because let's be real for a second, this was not just a government event, this was political messaging with full cinematic staging energy. The second visuals of Vijay behind the wheel started circulating online, social media instantly went, okay wait, this man is turning governance into a mass entry scene. And honestly, that's exactly why people are talking about it so much. Because celebrity politicians usually get accused of staying too distant from actual administration. Big speeches, big crowds, security layers, ceremonial ribbon-cutting vibes. But Vijay stepping into the driver's seat himself changes the visual language completely. It creates this very deliberate image of accessibility, action, and hands-on leadership. Basically, I am not just here to wave, I am here to move things. And if you think about it, the symbolism is actually pretty smart. A Bolero is not some ultra-luxury political convoy vehicle. It's rugged, functional, practical, the kind of SUV associated with field work, rural movement, government duty, and ground-level administration. So the message almost becomes less VIP energy, more working chief minister energy. This event also connects to something bigger, Vijay's early political image building strategy. Because since taking office in May 2026, his government has already started pushing several high visibility welfare and governance moves designed to show immediate action. One of the biggest was the crackdown on Tasmac liquor outlets, where the government ordered the closure of 717 shops located near schools, temples, and bus terminals. That move instantly positioned the administration as socially conscious and discipline-focused. It was one of those decisions that signals we're trying to clean things up. Then came the free electricity scheme. 200 units reportedly free for households across Tamil Nadu. And let's be honest, in Indian politics, anything that directly reduces monthly bills automatically becomes household conversation material. These are the kinds of decisions that make governments feel present in people's daily lives. There are also discussions around additional welfare-focused measures, including support schemes for women and families, and together, all these moves are helping shape Vijay's political identity very quickly. Because right now, the government clearly seems to be pushing one consistent message. This is not just a celebrity administration surviving on fan power, this is supposed to look like an active welfare-first government. And honestly, that's where the Bolero moment becomes important. Because politics today is visual storytelling. Every appearance sends a message. Every photo op builds a narrative. And Vijay's team seems fully aware that people are watching him not just as a politician, but as a former superstar transitioning into leadership. From a pure optics perspective, this was a very effective moment. It looked active, it looked grounded, it looked relatable, and most importantly, it looked intentional. Bottom line, Vijay driving that Bolero was not just a vehicle flag-off. It was a full political statement disguised as a government event. A little governance, a little symbolism, a little mass leader branding, and honestly, Tamil Nadu politics currently has the energy of a blockbuster first week run.